welcome back to my channel. If you want to see the details on this look, stay tuned. And don't forget to add me on Instagram.
Bruh.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I've been thinking about doing a smoky brown eye look. I'm not really sure. Oh, my lips are so chapped. It's so hot here in California. It's like literally 106 degrees today. Don't make any sense. But I'm gonna do this little makeup look. Thank God for air conditioning. So let's get started. I'm breaking out a little bit, but what can you do? So anyways, let's get into it. My braids are still kind of, sort of good. I'm popping out in little places, but bottoms are still cute. You know, my lids are hooded, but I'm gonna try my best. Lego. Hey, to get started, we're gonna start off with our Poreless Face Primer by e.l.f. Cosmetics. It's my favorite. Now we're gonna go in with the Too Faced Translucent Powder. I'm trying something new this time. I'm gonna go ahead and apply it to my eyebrows because I want my eyebrows to come out really nice and crisp. For the eyebrows, we're gonna go in with the NYX Cosmetics Micro Brow Pencil in the color Espresso. And to clean up my eyebrows, I'm going in with the e.l.f. Cosmetic Concealer in Tan Sand and the LA Pro Concealer in Cool Tan. I'm gonna mix the two colors together and create a nice outline for my eyebrows so they could be popping or whatever. And of course, you already know we gotta blend it in. Don't wanna be looking wild out here. We gotta blend. This is my first time trying the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Wear Concealer. I'm just gonna put it in to cover my little blemishes on my face, and you already know, blend it in, baby. My two staple foundations that I love, I'm going in with the Maybelline Superstay in Caramel and Fit Me Matte Foundation in Caramel as well. And let's tap that foundation in. To create a blurring effect, I'm gonna blend out the foundation with the Beauty Blender. And to get that eyeshadow popping, we're gonna use the MMMMitchell and Louise Acid Rain paint in Blank Canvas. It's the best in the game. And we're using my favorite palette by Morphe, 3503 Fierce by Nature. I'm gonna start with the color Jolt, and we're gonna pat that all over the eyelid and blend it out from the inner corner to the outer corner. Blend, 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 baby. On the upper crease, we're gonna go in with the color Consume, and we're gonna just blend that in with the color Jolt. I made a mistake, so now I gotta go back in and fix it with some concealer and then reshade it in. And now I'm gonna repeat the process on the other side. I'm gonna start with the Acid Rain Blank Canvas Primer. And now I'm gonna go in with the color Jolt, and I'm gonna pack it on my lid and blend it in. I'm gonna go in with the color Disrupt and deepen the crease a little bit. And then I'm also gonna add it to my other lid. To blend it a little better, I'm gonna go in with a clean brush and just blend in both colors. And now I'm gonna dust off my eyes for any fallout. Now I'm gonna go in with my favorite concealer by Too Faced in the color Butterscotch. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel to support me. Thanks. And to brighten up my under eyes, I'm gonna use the e.l.f. Camo Concealer in Tan Sand. To set these under eyes, I'm gonna use the Too Faced Translucent Setting Powder. This is my first time using it. Let's see how it works throughout the day. To add some dimension to the face, I'm gonna go in with the Black Radiance True Complexion palette in the color Sculpt. And I'm gonna use that same color to contour my nose a little bit. You gotta have that chiseled nose, baby. And you already know, blend it out. Don't wanna have these harsh lines on your nose. And we're gonna add some concealer to the bridge of our nose and we're gonna blend it in with the Beauty Blender. For this technique, we're gonna squeeze the Beauty Blender and then just spread out the concealer from the top to the bottom. To set the contour, we're gonna use a translucent setting powder on the outside of the nose. Let's dust off the excess powder. And just for a little added more chisel to my cheeks, I'm gonna add the Too Faced setting powder under my contour. And to set my whole face, I'm gonna go in with the Black Radiance Soft Focus Finishing Powder in the color Golden Almond. And for a little blush, I'm gonna use the MAC Mineralized Blush in the color Gleeful. And to deepen my smokiness, I'm gonna add a thin line above my eyelids with the Il Makiage Ink Liner. Mascara time. You gotta check out these lashes I bought for $1.55 from the Miss AOA website. And for highlighter, my good old Milani Stellar Lights highlighter. I'm gonna add some on my bridge of my nose and also on the inner corner of my eyes to give my smokiness a little pop. For this look, I'm just gonna use the same color Jolt and put it on my under eye since I'm not using eyeliner. Setting spray by Morphe, you already know. And my classic OG MAC lip liner in color Chestnut. And to get that nice nude color, I'm gonna use the soft matte lip cream in the color London. To finish off the look, I'm gonna put some clear lip gloss. So hey guys, this is my final look. I hope you like it. Smoky look for date night, whenever you want to go somewhere cute with your boo or anywhere. This is a look. I hope you like it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel to get more looks. Yeah, hope you like it. Bye. What's up, baby? How are you? What you eating?
I was eating bacon.
Okay. Peace out.
Wanna fuck in my AP? New freezer.